What's up, survivalists? Jason here. Today, I'm gonna be doing a grilled cheese challenge. My gosh. I might try this another time, but I might actually try to do some real good cheese inside and see how good I can actually make it, but taste test. But let's go home and actually make a really good grilled cheese. Go ahead. Challenge butter. Of course they have to come. Homemade Salsa Verde. Yeah, that's gonna be a spicy grilled cheese, and it's gonna taste awesome. Ready for the flip? Oh no! There we go. Yeah, it wasn't really sealed on there. Salsa Verde. Spilt on a pan, it just went straight up my nostrils. Oh yeah. Smush it a bit. That heat just right. And around this. Oh yeah, like that. Have that side, this bottom side finished now.
Are you still behind? Yeah. I see it.
Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Say this outside and eat it. Let's check this out. Yeah. You know what? I might have done something. That is really good. Oh. Oh yeah. A little bit of that Colby Jack, craft singles, and my homemade Salsa Verde. What are you doing? Need some snowshoes. She saw a reflection. Oh, that was a good bite. I would really recommend this. It has just the right type of heat. Not too spicy where you don't taste anything, but you still have the really good flavor. So there's part 2 of my grilled cheese challenge. First time I tried it out there in the woods while it was snowing, and it didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to, but it still tasted pretty good. This one tasted even better that I added the salsa verde to it, so I definitely recommend putting that on there. So I may even make a playlist of all this, but there is a hashtag of Colan's grilled cheese challenge. Just click on that and you'll see everybody's videos on that, but I'll try to keep up and see all the playlists and put a link in the description down below to that playlist of everybody that's done it so far. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.